Okay, so I'm about to go through the discussions, but there was a couple things that threw me off at first that I'll show you guys real quick. I noticed that some of the things on the side, little toolbars, kind of tend to disappear. So if you look real closely, you've got these little arrows here that pop out, and you can pop them back in and hide them. And the same goes on the left side for our toolbar to navigate the class. If you click that arrow, it will pop back up. So a little frustrating at first, but once you figure that out, it takes a lot of that stress away. So the group discussion board is what I'll do for this one. Most of you found this area because you've uploaded your command acknowledgement letters. But if you scroll down, you can see the heritage, essay thread, all of the discussion boards for each week listed under the same area. So this is where our discussion boards and responses to those are going to be listed. Just to cover the base, I'm going to pop in and show you guys the discussions. So here's 3 of us, or 4 of us, pardon my miscounting, that have uploaded the command acknowledgement letters. To do this, I'll try to upload one real quick. So you're going to pop up to the left here and go to create thread. Once you go to create thread, you'll type in your subject, which whatever they're going to want that subject to be. They'll list it in the discussion directions. You'll type in your message here, and then you'll go to attach file to attach that. Once you do that, just click submit, and it'll pop up on the previous screen. So I'm going to try to go back without. I'm going to go cancel here, and from there you'll get the command acknowledgement area here. So you'll see this is where mine was. It'll pop up as a PDF right here. On the introductions, it also comes up like this with the photo. If you attached a photo, it won't actually show that. You'll have to click on it to download it. And it looks like I forgot to add something in the thread, so this will be good. I'll try to edit my thread right here with you guys. So I'm just going to copy this to make it easier on myself. And let's see if I can edit this. Nope. That's where it was. So if you got an edit button here, we'll hit edit. I'll keep the title the same, and I'm just gonna paste the statement in and submit that. So that's edited, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you to reply to. So I'll reply to Jeremy here. Jeremy, I've edited my submission to reflect the requirements. And I'll go ahead and submit that, and that'll pop up as a reply. So when we're responding to people's threads, that's going to be the same process. We'll just hit reply under theirs, and it'll pop up. In order to subscribe to these, if you pop back out, which you can do that, you can click these up here, and I'll go back to the forum for that one. And you can like go back to group discussion board up here as well without using this side. To subscribe to these, if you click left over here on the ones you want to subscribe to, and then go up top and you hit subscribe. It says unsubscribe for me because I've already subscribed to everybody's. But the other way to do that is you click here and it selects all of them, and you hit subscribe, and you'll get email notifications for the ones that either have new posts or replies that are happening to them. So that's a quick gist on the discussion boards. So I'll try to keep these under 5 minutes when I do them, just so it's not taking too much time from y'all. If you have any questions or requests, just let me know and I'll make one of these.